Also, just come inside the materials editor, and now make a new node, multiply. Okay, we have two channels in output. You can see, but just connect UVS channel, and now choose text code, and choose for the channel B, exit channel B, scalar parameters. Okay, we can name it tiling, for example. Also, now we can see in real time the effect. So if you change the volume 1 or the volume, but you can set the tiling on default parameters. Well, so that's all. And subscribe my channel, please.